In this video, I will cover a brief overview of the integumentary system or skin. The skin is a cutaneous membrane that consists of three layers. These are the superficial epidermis, the dermis, and the hypodermis. Let's take a closer look at the epidermis. You can see how the epidermis connects to the dermis by way of these wavy dermal papillae. The epidermis consists of stratified squamous epithelium in which the cells are larger at the bottom of the layer and then become thin and flattened as they move toward the top. The epidermis consists of layers called strata. The most superficial layer is the stratum corneum. These cells have been hardened by keratin secreted by keratinocytes in deeper layers. The stratum lucidum is an additional layer only found in the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. The skin is thicker in these areas. The stratum granulosum includes cells that have granules of keratin. The stratum spinosum contains cells called prickle cells with radiating processes. The prickle cells help to distribute keratin throughout the epidermis. The stratum basale or basal cell layer contains the epidermal stem cells. Melanin, a pigment, is secreted by cells here. The dermis contains connective tissue and a number of accessory structures such as hair follicles, sweat glands, sebaceous or oil glands, and sensory receptors. Hair follicles produce hair from a hair bulb surrounded by blood vessels and nerves. A small oil-secreting gland called a sebaceous gland surrounds each follicle. The gland secretes an oily substance called sebum. A tiny band of smooth muscle called an erector pili muscle attaches to the hair follicle. The erector pili muscle responds to the sympathetic nervous system and causes the muscle to contract, causing the hair to stand up. There are two types of sweat glands. Apocrine glands are found in the axilla and genital regions. Their secretions can develop an odor. Eccrine sweat glands are found throughout the rest of the body. Their secretions consist mostly of water, and their purpose is to move heat away from the body by way of evaporation. There are a number of sensory receptors located in the skin as well. These include Merkel's discs, Meissner's, Pacinian, and Ruffini corpuscles. These receptors primarily sense changes in pressure, such as light or heavy touch and vibration. The skin also contains free nerve endings and temperature receptors. The hypodermis is the deepest layer of the integument and contains fatty tissue made up of adipocytes, which are lipid-containing cells. There are also blood vessels and nerves in the hypodermis. This concludes this short topic video on the integument. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.